Yes, sir.
So how much you got the total answer?
But it was in balancing, so I had a doubt regarding that.
Yes, sir. It was in balance.
Okay. How much was
Yep.
debit column?
Yes, about
Like 7,12,300.
300, sir.
7 lakh 12,300 is the
300.
line. And credit
Six
Credit
lakh 91,300.
call 6 lakhs
So like
91,300.
91,300.
how much was difference amount?
21,000.
21,000. Yeah, that's correct. Whatever telling is correct. It will not tally. Okay. Anyways, I'll do it once again on the board, the remaining thing. So we are done till 12th one. We'll do the 14th one. And then I'll discuss what to do when it is not tallying. Okay? It's okay, students? So what is the 14th account given there? 14th account, can someone tell me? We are done till 13. So 14,
12, sir.
yeah. 12th you are done, no?
Yes, sir.
Bank account is over.
Yes, sir. Next is salaries account.
What is it? Salary account, right?
Salaries account, sir.
Yeah. Debit or credit?
Debit side.
Debit. Why debit?
So it's an
It is
expense.
expense.
It is an expense. How much?
94,000.
94,000.
Next one.
Rent.
Rent account.
Rent account. Debit or credit?
Debit side.
Debit.
Debit, sir.
Why debit?
Expense. It is
Expense.
an expense.
Because it is an expense. Next 15.
Commission.
Commitment.
Commission paid.
Debtors.
Allowed. Commission allowed.
Received or paid?
So it's commission.
Debit.
Commission debtor.
Debtor is mentioned.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Debtor means what?
Is allowed.
Means it is paid.
Paid.
Or allowed.
Paid.
Yeah. Commission paid or allowed. So it has to be debited. How much is the amount?
1,400.
1,400.
1,400.
1,400. Evangeline, please rename yourself Evangeline with your registration number.
Yes, sir. I'll do it.
And yesterday I have seen 21 students have not come with your official email ID. You are joined using some other email ID. You have to join Zoom with your official email ID, or else we will take some strict action. That's what Bala sir has told. He's taking care of LMS. He told they have to join with official email ID. Please join with official email ID, or else you will have some problem later. Maybe attendance something will be removed from your account. So kindly join with your official email ID. You already created account, right? Zoom account with your official email ID.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please join.
Connected with.
Kindly join with that, because when we download attendance, we will know even with your which email ID you are joining. Many of them it was coming blank. So kindly do something, or else you will lose attendance or something will happen. I don't know. So kindly please follow the instructions. Kindly join with your official email ID. If you don't have the account, please create a Zoom account with your official email ID, and you have to join with that only for each class. And you have to rename yourself as registration number underscore your full official name. Is it okay? So don't expect us to tell again and again. Hope you remember. Don't waste your
Yes, sir.
valuable time. Yeah, reminding the unnecessary things. Yeah. So commission paid how much?
1,400.
1,400. Next,
Rates and taxes.
madam,
Rates and taxes.
and taxes. How much?
2,600.
2,600. Debit or credit?
So debit
Debit.
side.
Debit. Why?
It's an expense.
Because both are expense only. Next one.
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Bad debt account.
Bad debt. Bad debt. How much is the amount?
3,200.
2,200. What is the credit column?
Debit side, sir.
Right?
Sir, it's the next.
It is a loss.
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 Loss. Next.
Insurance account.
uh,
Insurance account.
2,400.
Insurance. Insurance account. Debit or credit?
Debit.
Debit side.
Why debit?
It's an expense.
It is an expense. 2,400, right? Is the amount correct?
Yes, sir.
Next one.
General
General
expense.
General expenses. Debit or credit?
Debit.
Debit side.
How much?
800.
800. Next.
Sundry creditors.
Sundry creditors.
Sundry creditors. Debit or credit?
Credit
Credit.
side.
It is credit. Why credit?
Liability.
Why are you crediting?
The liability.
It is a
The liability.
liability. Very good. 68,000. Right? So company need to repay the money to creditors in coming future. So it is a liability. So now you
Yes.
calculate how much you are getting total.
7,12,300. 6,91,000.
All of you please total it if you have not done it earlier. All of you please total debit column and credit column. Debit column, how much you are getting?
1,12,300.
1,12,300.
7 lakhs.
7 lakhs, sir.
12,000.
7 lakh
7,12,000.
300.
Credit side
6
6
lakhs.
lakh 91,300.
91 300. 6 lakhs 91 300 is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is not tallying.
Yes.
But it has to tally, no?
Yes, sir.
How much is the difference you find out?
21,000.
So
21,000.
7 lakh 12,300. Find out this. How much you get? How much?
21,000.
21,000. So what you should do now when it is difference like this? So we have done correctly because anyways I also done it on the board. Everything is correct. Even after doing everything is correct, still I am getting the difference. So that difference amount we have to keep it in something called as suspense account. Suspense account is a temporary account which is being created to keep the unsettled amount or the amount we don't know whether to debit or credit, we don't know, there is some error. Due to that particular accounting error, okay, they have done some accounting error, that is why this error is coming. Normally it will not come. Either they have wrongly debited something or wrongly they have credited something, some amount is written wrong, that we don't know. I cannot find out whether given data. So what we'll do is, whenever these kind of errors we come across, we will keep it in a suspense account. Suspense account is just a general ledger, which is not a personal account, not a real account, not a or it is not a nominal account. It is just a temporary adjustment. It's a temporary parking place. It is a temporary parking place for keeping the suspense amount. That means this account, this amount we don't know, there is some error. So what the accountant will do is, accountant, after some time again they'll go back and check each and every entry. They'll check the journal entries, then the ledger, and then they will find out the difference between these things. And once they find out, they will remove that amount from the suspense account. Okay, once they remove from suspense account, that account will become zero. It has to become zero. They cannot keep it for very long time. Suspense account is only for temporary purpose. Is it clear now? Do you understand what is suspense account? It is called suspense account. This is not personal account, this is not real account, this is not a normal account. It is just a temporary adjustment account. It is just a temporary parking place to keep the amount which is not tallying. Okay. After this, they will rectify this error. That is actually called as rectification of errors. That is what I told in the previous class. Baby sir will teach you how to rectify these errors. Okay, and how to make your suspense account zero. So once you find out this error, okay, maybe there is a wrong debit or wrong credit, or amount is written wrong, amount is written, okay, or some transaction is been omitted. These are called as errors of rectification. So these errors they will rectify, and once they rectify the errors, suspense account will become zero. They will remove this amount from the suspense account. Clear now? Any doubt? What I explained now? Anybody? Any doubt? Students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Clear?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
So this account, we will this amount, difference amount, which is not allowing me to tally my trial balance, I'll keep it for temporary in suspense account. Okay? Yeah, write down now. Suspense account. This is the balance sheet figure. How much? Where I have to write the 21,000? You have to write in the column wherever it is less. Okay, debit is already it is correct. So don't write in debit column. You have to write in the credit column, which is showing less amount. So write this 21,000 in the credit side. This is 21,000. Now you calculate how much you are getting now. Credit side. Students.
7,12,300.
Same amount, right? 7,12,300. Here,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
Sir, some are in the waiting room.
Yeah. Any doubt, students? Regarding suspense account, anybody has any doubt? Do you understand or not? Or you want me to explain again? Please give feedback. Please reply. Hello?
No, sir.
Clear, sir.
Morning. I know winter started today. There was a lot of fog in the Bangalore today. Hope you are not still in the bed. Hello? Please reply, respond. No?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
No, no, sir.
Understood, sir. It's clear.
I didn't ask you to laugh. Somebody is laughing. Yeah. So I'm asking whether did you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Your
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah, thank you very much. You are 100% sure I have written trial balance correctly. I know salaries, expenses are written correctly, debit are written correctly, credit, and still it is not tallying. That is not your mistake. Sometimes it will happen like that. And when you come across those kind of problems, the difference amount, you just keep it in the suspense account. Suspense account, you have to debit or credit based on the way whichever column is showing less total. Understood? You just park it there, that amount, and this accountant later he will rectify those errors. He will find out why this amount has come from where, and once he rectifies, he will remove that amount from the suspense account. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have actually given the theory also in the LMS. I have created one lesson only for suspense account. Please go home and read. Please read today. I'm sorry, you are already there in home. So please read whenever you get time. Okay, I have already given the one lesson in LMS. Today only I have created. So please read whenever you have time regarding suspense account. What is suspense account? Why it is created? Okay. So many times the trial balance will not tally. Then we will use the suspense account. Okay, and many times even your trial balance may tally. Okay, still there will be some errors. Those are called as the errors which is not disturbing your trial balance. Still there will be errors. These are called as undisclosed error. This error is called disclosed error because I can easily disclose, okay, trial balance is not tallying. So Baby sir will teach you what is disclosed error, what is undisclosed error, and how to rectify those kind of errors. Probably from next week or this Friday, I think so will start. Okay? We are clear now? Clear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But if you have done some mistake in your trial balance, unless I don't write suspense account and write the amount there. So you have to recheck once again whether you have done correctly the debit and credit. Okay? Then only you write in the suspense account. Clear? So before writing suspense account, you have to verify 2-3 times whether you have done rightly debit and credit. Okay? So we will go to the last question. Then we'll take up the problems. Can someone read the last question for me? What is the last question? Yeah. So I request someone to read the last question. Yeah. Brother.
Prepare a trial balance from the following ledger balances: capital rupees 60,000, stock at commencement rupees 5,000, discount allowed rupees 500, commission received rupees 700, fixed asset rupees 60,000, sales rupees 85,000, purchases rupees 45,000, return outward rupees 1,000, return inward rupees 2,000, carriage inward rupees 600, carriage outward rupees 700, wages and salaries rupees 25,500, debtors rupees 16,500, creditors rupees 13,900, rent rupees 3,000, interest paid rupees 2,000, cash rupees 800, stock at the end rupees 33,800.
Yeah, thank you very much. All of you draw the table. All of you please draw the table. All of you please draw the table in your all of you draw the table in your class notes. Question number, what is the question number? 6, no? Yeah, question number 4. Question number 4, solution, trial balance, serial number, particulars, debit and credit column. All of you please draw neatly with your pencil and scale. And once you're done, let me know, I'll start.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Bro, sir.
Now, as I said yesterday, we'll do a new strategy. I will call one student. He should answer me whether should I debit or credit the particular account. Others should not answer, okay? Only the student name whom I'm calling, they have to tell me whether should I debit or credit. So this will help me to check whether you are sleeping or you are awake. Second thing, whether you understood or not the trial balance. This is the last question we will be discussing about trial balance. Is it okay, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the first one is capital account. So I want Anthony Babu to tell me whether should a debit or credit capital account. Anthony Babu, please unmute and please respond. Yeah, should a debit or credit? I can't hear. Hello?
Sir, his mic.
Please type it in the chat box. Type it in the chat box quickly. Debit or credit? Yeah, quickly. It has to be credited, correct? That is 60,000, right? Okay, amount I'm writing. If any amount is wrong, please let me know. Okay, please repeat your question back. Second one, opening stock. Opening stock. Albin PJ, please unmute and talk.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, debit or credit?
Debit.
Why debit?
Because it's an asset.
Because it is an asset. Correct. Next third one we have discount allowed. Discount allowed. Andrews,
Yes, sir.
debit or credit?
It's debit, sir.
Why?
This is an expense. Discount allowed.
Yes, thank you. 500 debit. Next, Gifty. Gifty, please unmute. Gifty. Gifty Mohan Lalchan. Okay. Jacob Matthew. Fourth one.
Yes.
Commission received. Jacob Matthew. Should the
Credit.
debit or credit column?
Credit column.
Why?
It's an income.
Yeah. How much is that? 700. Next, fifth one. Fixed assets. Preetham Loret. Preetham, kindly unmute. Preetham Loret. Preetham. Preetham, you are there. Pratik Dixit.
Yes, sir.
Pratik, tell me. Fixed
So
asset.
as fixed asset is an asset, so it will be debited.
Yeah, write in the debit column. Next, what is the next one? Sales. Sales account. Why, Preetham, you are not talking? Why are you messaging now? Okay, next, Bhima Reggie. Sales account. Should I write in debit column or credit column? Bhima Reggie. Bhima is not there. Richu Roy. Richu Roy.
Yes, sir.
Who is this?
Sir, Ritu Roy.
Yeah, Richu, tell me. Sales
Sales
debit or credit column?
credit, sir.
Why?
It's an income, sir.
Because it is an income account. Seventh one, purchases account. Purchases account. Melvin Matthew. Melvin Matthew purchase account.
Sir, it's a debit.
Why debit?
Sir, expense.
Because it is an expense. Next we have returns outward. Return outward account. Return outward account. Which
Yes, sir.
that mean debit or credit?
Purchase return. Sir, debit.
Return outward is debit is wrong. Return outward is what? First return or sales return? Goods are going out. When it will go out?
Okay, sir. Credit. Sorry.
That means when you purchased earlier, now those goods are going out, right?
So it will become credit.
When you are purchasing, it will be debited. When you are sending it, it will be credited.
Mhm.
Okay. How much? Next, return inward. Return inwards account. Sanoj, Frederick. Sanoj,
Debit, sir. 2000.
debit.
Because it's a sales return. So it's coming back to us.
Yeah. Next. What is the next account?
Carriage in
Carriage inward account. Carriage inward. Joel Johnson.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir.
Carriage inward, so writing debit column or credit column?
Debit column. Debit, sir.
Right.
Because it's an expense.
Because it is an expense. Next. What was the next one? Carriage outward. Carriage outward. Jetlin John Joseph. Jetlin Joseph. Carriage.
Carriage outward is credit, sir. 700. Credit, sir. So because it's an income, so we're getting the money.
Same income for you. See, you go to Big Bazaar or you go to some departmental store, okay, you purchase so many things you cannot carry. You say, okay, you give me home delivery. Will you pay anything for that delivery?
No, sir.
No. Or you put it on the refrigerator, you cannot carry it. So you say, okay, shop fellow, you only come and give to my home. They will come and dump it and go. Will you pay for that?
No, sir.
No. So whether it is a carriage inward or carriage outward, I think I told yesterday only, whether it is a carriage inward or outward, both are expense only to company. Okay? So please debit only, both will be debit, either carriage inward or outward. Okay? How much is that? 700. Next one. 12 months. Wages and salary. All of you please write down. I think you are writing down. Come back and check your notes. You are checking your notes. Yeah. Midun Thomas.
Yes, sir.
Wages and salaries.
It's an expense, sir.
Debit or credit?
Debit.
Huh?
Debit balance.
Debit column. Yeah. How much? How much? You should tell me the amount also, man. I'm asking you how much, Midun? Yeah.
1 minute.
What happened to you? Why so much time to tell the amount? That means you're not having your question bank in front of you, right?
Eh,
You're not watching any movie. It's not a movie. You have to work out along with me. That's why I'm doing on the board. Or else I can just upload everything, all the answers in LMS. Just I can explain, okay, this is what. I can do it, no? It's very easy actually for me to do. But I am not doing. You should do simultaneously when I'm doing on the board. Hope that is what you all are doing. That is what is expected from your side. Anyway, when you come back, I'll check your notes. I'll come to know whether you were writing or not along with me. Okay. So anybody who is telling the answer, please tell me the amount also. Okay. So 31 already here. What is data account? Yeah. Density Sony. Density Sony fair.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, data account we are writing debit column or credit column.
Debit column.
Why?
Debtors and assets.
Louder, little louder. I can't hear.
Debtors are assets.
Okay, what's the amount?
Amount 16,500.
Okay. Next one, creditor account. Creditors account. Leo Jain. Leo.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Debit or credit?
Credit, sir.
Why?
Because it is a liability.
Yeah. How much amount?
It's a liability, sir. 13,900.
Huh?
13,900.
Yeah. Next, 15 is rent account. Rent account. Stephen Jose. Stephen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Stephen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please respond. To the right, debit or credit column, rent account.
Sir,
Rent account.
sir, it's an expense, sir.
Where to the right?
Sir, debit
Okay. How much is the amount?
3,000.
Next. Interest paid account. Interest paid. Teresa. Yeah, tell me more. Debit or credit?
Debit.
Why?
An expense, right?
Yeah. What is the amount?
1,000.
Next. Cash account. Cash account. Cyrus. Cyrus. Yeah.
It's an asset, so debt, debit
How much?
800.
Anything else?
Closing stock.
Yeah.
Closing.
Now all of you totally. Again, I'll ask only some student to tell me the total. Only they should tell the total. Others, please don't tell your total. All of you, please total it. I'll give you 30 seconds. To whom I'm asking, only they to tell the answer. Others, please don't respond. Don't tell the total.
So we have stock at end to add.
So one more thing to add. Account, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we have stock at end.
Yeah.
There's
Let me explain. I think I have some write-up. 1 minute. Clothing stock, right? You're asking?
yes,
Yeah. Yeah, suspense account, you please read, okay? This I have already put in LMS. So clothing stock, what is clothing stock? How do you get clothing stock? Will someone tell me? Yeah? What is clothing stock?
Sir,
Yeah.
the closing stock is the amount that a business has at the end of the accounting period.
Yeah. So clothing stock will come from your what you purchase, okay, minus what is used is equal to clothing stock. Okay, it can even be opening stock, plus purchases. I think you are not able to see, no, clearly.
It's not clear, sir.
Yeah, I change the camera now.
That's it.
Now,
Yes, sir.
so opening stock plus purchases, okay, you get what? Sorry, opening stock plus purchases and minus what you used already. Whatever is consumed or used or consumed. Okay, the remaining will be the closing stock. Okay, so already you written opening stock, yes or no in trial balance?
Yes, sir.
You written the entry number 2. Serial number 2 you check. Already we written opening stock.
5,000.
Yes. Then we write purchases. Yes or no?
45,000.
Yes, sir.
If I again write closing stock, what it will become? So how do you get closing stock? Which is the leftover. It is a leftover out of what I purchased and what was already remaining in the opening stock. The remaining thing, what is not used in the manufacturing or it is not sold in the market. That remaining stock is called closing stock. That clause, if I again write closing stock, it will become double entry. Yes or no? It will become double entry because already what I purchased, already I entered in purchases account. And what was left over last year already written the opening stock. What was there in the beginning. Okay? So I cannot write again closing stock. So closing stock will become what? Double entry if I write again. Okay? That is why we don't write the closing stock. So all of you please write down this note. I want all of you to write down this note. Closing stock should not be considered while preparing trial balance because it is a leftover balance, okay, out of goods which were purchased during an accounting period. So the total purchases are already included in the trial balance. Okay, if you include closing stock, it becomes double entry. So no separate account is opened for closing stock in the general ledger. All of you please write down this note. You have to write this note below your solution, below your table. Sometimes the examiners will expect you to write this note, then only you will get the full marks. Any doubt? Do you have anybody has any doubt regarding closing stock?
Sir, could you please repeat the same?
That is why I didn't write the closing stock. That's why the closing stock was not written.
So isn't it an asset, sir? Because we have that stock.
It is asset actually, but closing stock is nothing but the leftover of what I already purchased. I already entered the purchases what I have purchased. So again, if I enter, it will become double entry. See, out of 1 lakh units I purchased, for example, 1 lakh units I purchased. In that, say, okay, 50,000 units or 70,000 units I've sold. So 70,000 if I sold, remaining is how much? 30,000. If I again enter that 30,000 in the ledger, it will become double entry. So how this 30,000 came? It came from purchases only, right? So it's already covered in purchases. So don't write that in the books of account.
Sir, one more doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, so the closing stock of this year should be right for the next year's trade balance as opening stock, right?
Yeah, next year when you're writing your new books of account, when you're starting, then it will become opening stock. But this year you should not write.
Okay, so for next year's opening stock, we should write this year's closing stock.
Yeah,
In the
that
trade
is
balance.
the closing stock. Yeah, at the end of the year, when you are doing it, okay, when you are writing that, you'll be writing that. See, normally actually we have one more thing called as, yeah. So please don't write closing stock in trial balance. Okay. So all of you done the calculation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Sarah, Rachel, can you tell me the answer of debit column?
Yes, sir.
Total of debit column.
160 900
1
60
uh,
900 debit side.
No. Okay, it's the wrong answer. Akira.
Sir, I think that is before the suspension.
Akira is there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me how much is the answer debit column?
1610 161600 600 600.
It is not a digit, it is the amount. You should say 1,51,600. Okay. Now I'll ask somebody else. Maybe John Biswas.
Yes, sir.
Credit column total
1,60,600.
1,60,000.
600.
50,600.
Yes, sir.
But it is not tallying, no?
Yes, sir.
So what do we do?
Suspense.
Yeah. Here also we are 100% sure, right? We have done everything correct. We know everything we have done debited correct and credited correct. Still difference is coming, so we will pass that into suspense account. We will keep it temporarily in suspense account. So where it is coming less, there you have to write that 1,000 rupees. Now your trial balance will tally. Yes or no? Now it is both the side 1,61,600. Clear? Any doubt? So this finishes first unit of my portion. What was I supposed to cover? So I have covered it now. So remaining portion sir will take up. So I have covered journal entry. Okay, and accounting equation. We started with accounting equation, then journal entry, ledger, then trial balance. Okay, so now we will go to the doubts. So who said you have